Today we have Sudip Mazumder, Head of Digital Manufacturing Transformation from L&T. Hi sir, how was your experience at ETCIO Annual Conclave?
Oh, I think this is one of the events that I was really looking for to attend because you won't believe it, I took 2 days off to attend it because I knew that I'll be getting to know a lot of technologies, number one, a lot of applications. In fact, I was speaking with a few of the partners who are actually sponsoring in this event before I came here, and they said that they will be showcasing some of the applications, some of the software, some of the new products, especially AI enabled. So I thought that it's a very good time to attend and get something for me, myself, and also to bring back to my organization and to the industry. So it's a fantastic event. In fact, honestly, I got to know a lot of things which I didn't know. Some of the products which I knew earlier, 3-4 years back, before pandemic, and they have gone through a sea change, and that's a very interesting thing to me, because I can see that there is a pace in the industry, and people are adopting new technologies within the products, and which otherwise wouldn't be possible actually if I'm not here today. Thank you very much for that, for ETCIO.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.